What's up, guys? This is Patrick Pontarelli, your Greater Birmingham real estate agent. We're going to be looking at the current model home at Blackridge, Ben. This is an absolutely beautiful home. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Patrick Pontarelli. As I mentioned, I'm a Greater Birmingham real estate agent. I'm here to put out content and to be a resource to really help out as many of you as I can and get your answers and help you find your way to the Greater Birmingham area. Whether you're looking to buy here, relocate, or whether you're looking to list and sell your home in this market, I'm here for you. If you're returning to my channel, welcome back. Before you do anything, if you haven't already, go ahead and make sure you subscribe to this video, and it's going to give you all the content, and so you can get really your notifications when I put out some new content as well. Let's take a look at this beautiful model home. Today, I'm here at Blackridge Bend. Blackridge Bend is a new luxury lakeside signature homes community located near the Cahaba River in Hoover, Alabama. Homeowners truly enjoy a one-of-a-kind resort-style way of living. Just located minutes really from restaurants and shops in Hoover. This at-home retreat is every homeowner's dream. Signature offers multiple floor plans along with designer homes.
Style is the answer.